Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about advantages and disadvantages of air blast circuit breaker and about SF6 circuit breaker. So this is one of important thing, advantages and disadvantages. Generally it will be asked in your examination, explain advantages and disadvantages of air blast circuit breaker, and also sometimes they will ask explain with need diagram SF6 circuit breaker. So these two topics are very important for your examinations. Okay. So first SF6 circuit breaker we will discuss, and then we will move to the advantages and disadvantages. So first SF6 means sulfur hexafluoride gas. Sulfur hexafluoride gas. It has good dielectric strength and excellent arc quenching property than the transformer oil, air and other mediums. Okay. So good dielectric strength of the dielectric strength, and also arc quenching is excellent compared to the air and oil. So that's what these SF6 circuit breakers are more popular, and it is an inert, non-toxic, non-flammable and heavy gas. So it will not produce any harmful gases, it will not produce any fire hazards. So that's what these circuit breakers are used for, higher voltages. So at atmospheric pressure, the dielectric strength of the SF6 gas is 2.3 times more than the air, 2.5 times more than the air, and compared to transformer oil, SF6 gas, the dielectric strength is more than 3 times. So 3 times more than transformer oil. Okay. So compared to air, compared to oil, the dielectric strength of the SF6 is more. That's what these SF6 circuit breakers are more popular, and also non-flammable, non-toxic and inert gas. So it will not produce any smell, it will not produce any gases, and it will not produce a fire hazard. That's what so these circuit breakers are using at above 132 kilovolt. Okay. So SF6 circuit breakers are manufactured in the voltage range 33 kilovolt to 765 kilovolt range. So but it is preferred for 132 kilovolt and above. So less than that it is not economical. So cost is more. That's what these circuit breakers are not suitable for less than 132 kilo. We can use it, but economically, cost wise, if you see, so these circuit breakers are not economical for less than 132 kilovolt and more greater than 132 kilovolt ranges. So these circuit breakers are suitable. Okay. So here properties of SF6 gas. So it has 4 properties, sorry, 3 properties, and physical property, chemical property and electrical property. Physical property. So the physical property of SF6 gas are as follows. So physical properties means strength and how it will be, how it will react, those things, physical properties. So here this SF6 gas is colorless, odorless, means no smell, so smell will not be there, and non-toxic and non-flammable gas. So this is the one physical property, and pure gas is not harmful to health. So pure SF6 gas will not harmful to health. So it is in gas state at a normal temperature and pressure, and it is a heavy gas having density 5 times that of air at 20 degrees centigrade and atmospheric pressure. So this one is normal temperature, normal pressure. So it will be what we will call it. So normal pressure and normal operating pressure. So this will be having good physical things, and it is a heavy gas having density of 5 times. So density of the is, if you compare to other mediums, it is 5 times. So we have seen, right, so SF6 gas 2.35 times more than the air and 3 times more than the transformer oil. So since like that, if you take density 5 times, it will be there at temperature 20 degree centigrade. Okay. And coming to the chemical properties of SF6. So chemical properties are stable. So constant properties, constant up to the temperature is 500 degrees centigrade. So up to 500 degrees centigrade, the chemical properties will not change, and it is chemically inert gas, and the moisture is very harmful to the property of this gas. So moisture should not attack to the gas, and so if it is moisture is attacked, then it will be very harmful to the properties of this gas. Okay. And it is non corrosive on all metals, so it will not affect any metals, it will not give rest, it will not damage any metals at all metals. So you can use it for all metals. Okay. So at temperature of is ambient, so constant temperature, non corrosive on all metals. So this is one of important thing. And we will move to the electrical properties. It consisting of two properties, one is dielectric and another one is corona property, corona insufficient voltage. So dielectric strength, already we have discussed, 2.35 times more than the air and 3 times more than the oil. So electrical dielectric strength wise, SF6 is good, better than the air and oil. The excellent dielectric strength of SF6 gas is because of electronegativity. So it consisting of electronegativity, that's what SF6 gas is more dielectric strength. So corona inception voltage for SF6 is in a non-uniform. So electric field is also considerable higher than that for air. So electric field is also considerably higher so than that of air. So right. So this is the electrical properties. And dielectric constant. So it will comes under electrical property. So dielectrical constant also is good compared to other mediums. So because of being a non-polar, the dielectric constant of SF6 is independent of frequency of the applied voltage. Further, the dielectric constant changes by only 7% over a pressure range of 0 to 22 atmosphere. And arc interrupting capacity. So arc interrupting capacity excellent. SF6 gas is excellent than air and oil. So here based on the high dielectric strength, the molecule of SF6 when they disassociated due to spark powers. Okay. So dielectric strength is more than arc interrupting capacity also is good. Okay, right. So next one, types of SF6 circuit breakers. So these are classified into two principles. So one is double pressure type and pure pressure type. So here this double pressure type, so gas is formed inside circuit breaker is high pressure, released into low pressure compartment through a nozzle during arc extinguish process. But single pressure SF6 circuit breaker. So in this circuit breaker, SF6 gas is compressed by a moving cylinder system and is released through nozzle during arc extinguishing. So there high pressure, here cylinder system pressure. So these nozzles will be operated. Okay. So next one, these circuit breakers are more suitable for 33 kilovolt to 765 kilovolt, but you can use for above 132 kilovolt ranges. Okay. So here in spite of that, single pressure circuit breaker is most suitable than the SF6 circuit breaker. Okay. So, this is about SF6 circuit breaker. Okay. Okay, thank you everyone.